So guys, in today's Python video, our chat series has been started, and this is our second video about chats. And in today's chat second video, I'm telling about how to access the chat items. If you don't know how to access, so in today's video, in five minutes, I whole thing I will tell you about that, how to access the chat items. So now get ready for that. So please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So I did not take a long time, so let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. Python access set items. In the previous video, in the previous video of the first video of the sets, I told you about the what are sets in Python. So in today's the second video of the series of the set, I am telling you about the how to access the set items. So let's get started and let's access the set items. You cannot access the items in a set by referring to an index or a key. You cannot access items, but you can loop through the set items using a for loop or asks if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. In this example, it is the loop through the set and print the all values in this example. Okay. When you copy the example, when you go here and when you paste it, so then it will be give you only apple and banana cherry like this. Here you can see it. Why it is giving you apple, banana, cherry like this? Because we write here print the x. If I write print this set, so then it will be give me in the line. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. Now example. In this example we are check if banana is present in the set. In this example, let me show you. If then save it and it should give me true. Why did it give me true? Because yeah, banana is in this set. If I say blue in this set, so it give me false. Here you can see it. Why? Because in this set there is not the blue. Here you can see like that. Now let's come here, check. Now in this example we are check if banana is not present in the set. Let me show you. Let me copy it and let me paste it, save it and run it. So it give me false. Why? Because here I read like banana not in the set, but banana is in the set. Here you can see why it is. That's why it is not giving me the true. If I write here mango, so it give me true. Why? Because yeah, banana is not in the set. Here you can see it. There is only 3 items: apple, mango, and cherry. In that set there is not a banana. Here you can see it. Change items. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add a new items. You know this thing, okay? Now here you can see it. In today's video I told you how to access the set items. I know this is very small video, because in today's video just I told you about how to access the set items, and I have told you very easily as how to access the set items. I give you one example like loop through the set and print the all values. This first example. In the second example I told you check if banana is present in the set like this. Let me copy that and let me paste that. So then when you save it, and then it should give me true. Like I have told you why it is giving me true, because here I write like banana is in this set, and yeah, banana in this set. But if I write here erase the banana and write mango, so then it will be give you false. Why? Because no banana is not in the set, so that's why it is giving like that. If I write banana is not in the set, so it give me true. Sorry, here you can see it. So now like you can access the set items like that. Here you can see it. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. If your concept will be clear, so please tell me in the comment, and please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you will never miss our future latest videos. So now I'm meeting next lesson, next very amazing class like that type of videos. For today, goodbye.